Create a new design. It doesn't matter what size the design is. Select Apps. Then search for Frame Maker. Make 5 grid columns. Make a square first. Add an extra point and move it like this. Select Add to Design. Move the frame to the left side of the canvas. Add an extra point on the left side. Then create a shape like this. Select Add to Design. Place the frame next to the other one. Move the point on the right side back. Select Add to Design. Place the frame next to the other one. Select all the frames to resize and move everything. Go to Uploads. I have uploaded these 3 photos already. Drag a photo towards the first frame. Select the frame. Then select Edit Image. Select Crop. You can now resize and move the photo inside of the frame. Add a photo to the second frame. You can also double-click on the frame to crop the photo. Do the same thing for the last frame. And that's how you create these connecting frames.